Mountain is the location. My name is Kazmar, and we've left Kingston, traveled all the way here to St. Anne just for this event. Now, guess what? You're watching this. I don't know, we're bringing you guys the latest in Jamaica's entertainment and lifestyle. Trust me, if you want to know what's going on in the country and what's the latest been happening here, this is the show for you. So guess what? We're going to go into Mystic Mountain, find out what's going on. I've been here before now, but just for you guys, we're going to get on those rides. All right? Mystic Mountain. Let's go.
From the girl, them look for me, them tell me, them love me.
Girl, come, please come hug me. Always some boy hate me.
Them girl want hate me.
The girl them love off my brown cute face.
The girl, them love off me bleach out face.
Dog, you no play no.
Me no responsive man.
You no play no.
You don't like me, but your girl say me on the bonner man.
All right, so we're going to kick things off right now. We don't know you what. Mystic Mountain, we caught up with our tour guide. We're Bridging Randall. All going on, everything good?
Yeah, man.
All right, so Mystic Mountain, tell us a little bit about this place.
Okay, it was probably founded about 3 years ago, approximately. And this is the only park in the Caribbean that has these tours. We have 3 unique tours here. The Sky Explorer chairlift, a zipline canopy tour, very unique, different from the others, and a bobsled ride.
All right, now, before we got inside, I signed away my life, basically. Could you talk to us about that?
Okay, the waiver is just our liability form. If you guys break our rules, we can't take responsibility for it. But other than that, the park is a very safe park.
Okay, so when you say safe, have there ever been any freak accident or any stuff in that nature? Like, for example, the skyscraper. Has anyone fallen out of that?
No, no.
We have to make sure that in the this. We have to make sure that because I'm going on that, I'm not ready to lose my life. So, all right, so what are the best rides people normally look forward to when they get here?
Okay, most people come here and ask about the bobsled. Since it's our signature tour, they prefer to do that one. It's not as scary because you can control your speed going down the track.
Okay, so talk to us about skyscraper because we're about to go on that, right? Talk to us about that.
Okay, the Sky Explorer, it seats 4 persons and total 50 chairs on the chairlift. Now, going on the chairlift, you have to secure all your stuff, and it takes you 700 feet above sea level.
All right, so no BlackBerry?
No BlackBerry, you can pocket it. Yeah.
All right, so we're going to go on the ride right now, but before we find the Sky Explorer, I want to talk to you guys about UWI Carnival Juve, which recently took place on the UWI campus itself, UWI campus. Ever go UWI Juve? Yeah, man. This year, decent still, like good turnout, a whole heap of people. And of course, Predis was there to catch all the excitement. So if you want to see what is happening now, I'm sure say you want to see it, don't. We're going to find out. This.
Carnival and TNT is so special to all our we. Like we need blood in the vein. That's how we feel about Port of Spain. When the party them come in toy, them pan and a bongo drum is madness everywhere. Carnival is a true freedom. Make a noise or a joyful jump and jump up in the air. So everybody take a jump, take a jump, take a jump up now. Start a wave, start a wave, start a wave up now. Start a wine, start a wine, start a wine up now because it's Carnival.
My name is Enric and this is Kenworth over here. We're Sky Explorer operators for today. Please secure your stuff. Make sure nothing falls from the chair going up or coming back. It's a 15 minutes ride from here to the park, and the park is 700 feet above sea level. Maximum to the chair is 4. If you want to go 3 or 2, that's no problem with us. There's a camera on Tower 11 going up, so remember to smile and make it special. When you get to the top, you can see that photo and you can get it to buy if you want to, okay? Somebody will take you off at the top, and that's where you'll find like the bobsled, the zip line, gift shop, restaurant, bar, pool, and water slide. Have a great day today. Thank you very much for coming, and please don't drop anything.
Sky Explorer we're on right now, we're getting over to the other side of Mystic Mountain. And of course, we're going to talk about the international artist, Gyptian. He scored a hit last year called Hold You. Everybody knows Hold You. And did you know that this man was a father? And the man play ball. Big things are going for Gyptian. And of course, Pretty's caught up with him to find out exactly what's going on in his career and what's the latest. So Gyptian is our celebrity interview this week. This.
Said I want to, I'll give you some time. Even a little wine. She said she not let go. No matter how far me go, she say she read that did ya so. And she not make no joke, she say she not let go. No matter how far me go, she say she read that did ya so. And she not run no joke.
2010, what's your best reflection of that year?
Success, you know. I mean, towards the music, more, we don't call it now, more promotion, more everything, more piece of the business, you know. So I mean, it only get better than where it's at now, you know, naturally.
You've won a Mobile Award, you also won the Soul Train Award. What do these awards mean to you? I mean, do they signify anything for you?
Well, pretty much it does, because, I mean, it would be like a student up by UWI, you know, going there for the subjects and all these levels of whatever that makes them a star. So pretty much those are my scholarship then, and my trophies then, my space in life, my reason to be around, you know. So I mean, they mean a whole lot, because you can have them to look at forever, you know.
You had a very good year last year. You've networked with a number of entertainers internationally. You've also done stuff with people like Mary J. Blige. There was Nicki Minaj jumping on the remix of Hold You. Who would you want to work with at this point in your career, and why?
Pretty much right now, I mean, I just like a beat from Timbaland, you know. Yeah, Timbaland is a mad beat. He just have the vibes and just have the groove and just have everything right now. Pretty much to work with some of ourselves, local producers here, because here's where it all started from.
When you were approached to join Mary J. Blige on her tour in the UK, what was the reaction from you, and were you excited? I mean, what was the whole feeling inside of you?
I mean, pretty much not really excited. It was just an overwhelming feeling, you know, because, pretty much when we were growing up, listening to Mary J. Blige a lot. And for her to call us like that and inform us that she would love for us to be on her tour, that it's amazing, you know. But as I said, just give thanks that it is the way it is, you know. Father, the real man of all man, so I make it possible. So it's like that, you know.
The album Hold You came out last year. It did not get nominated for a Grammy Award. Did you feel disappointed about that?
Well, to be honest, not really disappointed, but not looking for that, you know. You know what I mean? Because so many things. So why not it, you know? You got songs there from back in the days. Pretty much they know what they're doing. It's their thing, so they know who they're putting their Grammy from, who they don't want in their Grammy, so they probably don't want me. So I'm just here right now, you know?
No, let go. This are the real show. Well, I miss a this we I say. Watch the eyes them I look back pan way. This we love you. Say we want to watch you all the time. This me I tell you give me vibes. This we not let go. Yeah man, Egyptian naturally. This naturally. You see this? Sure, don't try this.
Yo, Spurs. Boy, I'm Monday. Won't come link in. Carter, the Bugger James Screech.
Okay, so we finally made it off the Sky Explorer, which was 700 foot high above sea level. Okay, that's how high we were. I was alright, and I was being a real money. That's all I say. So but right now we're at the bobsled, and this goes for 1,000 meters. Alright, 700 meters you can do yourself, and the other 300 it's automatically done. So what we're going to do is just get into this link now. We're going to talk about this new party. It's not really a new party. We're talking about yesterday. It's been around for quite a while, and it's always been in Kingston. So Jetta, the promoter, he's moved it outside of Kingston to Portmore for the first time. Alright people, so this is something that we can get excited about, something more interesting about yesterday. Now Jetta, he's going to be telling us a little bit more on the party.
Well, we wanted to do something different with this yesterday, and we wanted to do like a beach edition, and the sweetest beach over there is Sugarman Beach. So we wanted somewhere quite central, Portmore Central, people from Kingston can go over there, plus there are people from Portmore itself and St. Catherine, and the best beach over Portmore side is Sugarman Beach. So on April the 3rd, we're going to be at Sugarman Beach.
Are you anticipating the similar kind of support making a move into Portmore?
Well, our calculation is not about the crowd, but it's that we wanted to bring something different to yesterday. And We think the best thing we do 90s on in mass camp, we wanted to do 90s on the beach. And what we believe is that it don't matter the amount of people that's going to be there, it's going to be fun, it's going to be great. Because imagine you have the girls in their swimsuit and you listen to some nice bubbling 90s music. You don't want no more than that. Even if it's just you alone over there.
Speaking of music, who been in charge of commanding the ship musically?
You know, we never release names, you know, but what we can tell you is that you have somebody from Zip, a Zip Jock, and a Fame FM DJ going to be on it.
Okay, who are your sponsors working with you this time?
Okay, well, we must say many thanks to Digicel and coming on board for the first time. Appeton, Durex, Boom, Superior. Yesterday came out of the university. I was attending university at the time, and it have grown from a college party to be more of a working man type of party. They just come out, it just release the stress after the end of a month, because we normally keep our end of month. So people, when you have the stress of, like for instance now, March, come April the 3rd, you come and release that stress.
Yeah! Wham. Alright, definitely that was an experience and I can't wait to go back on it. So guess what? We're going to take our first commercial break, and when we come back we have a lot more pre-this right here. We have Mystic Mountain and a Bay Vibes, you know. We'll soon come.